Hey guys, Kathy here from Dirty Booty Soaps, and today we're doing a restocking of our coconut oil soap. I had a order come in for some from a woman. She just loves it. She actually uses it as shampoo bar as well. It's a coconut oil soap that's done at a 20% Superfat. It's got 30 ounces of coconut oil, 4.4 ounces of lye, and 11.4 ounces of water. And that recipe is enough to fill 2 of these molds. These are the silicone flower molds. And so that's my recipe. Makes 12 bars. So I've got my coconut oil here. I'm going to pour in my lye water. I just thought, I've done this video before, but not for like a long time. So I thought I'd redo the video again. For those of you new subscribers that haven't seen the other video, it's a very basic white bar. It's great for people who they don't want fragrances or essential oils, who have sensitive skin, don't like colors. I mean, it's a basic, great lathering bar of soap. So I'm just getting all the air out of my stick blender. Feel free to fast forward here. This is going to take a little bit. Just to get the oils mixed up here. I am probably going to wake my husband up. It's pretty early here. Takes a bit to get the coconut oil to trace. And it's still going to be a really thin trace. So I think we're good here. So those of you who've been following me know I am in the process of losing weight. And quick update, since December 13th, as of this morning now, January 16th, I have lost 11 pounds. So I'm pretty happy with how things are going. Any loss is a good loss. So anyway, that's where we stand on that. I'm going to see how much I can lose this year. I'm sure at some point I'll be slowing down. But I'm losing at a pretty good rate right now. Just a hair over 2 pounds a week. And I'm using my Fitbit, logging my food, and I get on the treadmill, what I like to call the dread mill. I get on that 3 to 4 times a day, and I do 20 minutes each time, at least 3 times. The 4th time might be just enough to get me up to my 10,000 steps if I'm in the mood that day. So, like I said, that and watching my calorie intake, using my Fitbit, and it works for me. So hopefully I keep going at a good rate. I guess maybe I only get 11 out of this. Yeah, maybe I only get 11. Actually, I'm gonna put this remainder in here. I'll just get myself a little partial bar. But anyway, so yeah, I've lost 11 pounds. Pretty happy. The last time I did this on the Fitbit was a few years ago, and I had lost over 60 pounds. And I don't know, circumstances in my life changed. I became more sedentary, and it just, most of it came back on, like 95% of it I gained back. So, not too happy about that. So I'm just giving it a little jiggle, smooth it out the tops. Give it a little spritz of alcohol. And we'll let these sit until tomorrow. Actually, that's a pretty full bar right there. Fuller than I thought I'd get it. So we'll let this sit till tomorrow, and then we'll pop it out. These are going to be a beautiful, just plain white bar. Wonderful, no glitter, nothing. So anyway, what else was I going to say? Oh, I'm going to be doing a special order for someone, so I'll be videoing that within probably the next couple days. So look for that. That's going to be some little mini cupcake soaps, party favors, with little bees and sunflowers on the top. So I have a large 100-piece order for those. And then I'll be doing some men's soaps in the tall skinny mold, I believe. So I have a few things planned. I'm not kind of going too crazy because I still have lots of soap in my stock. So I don't need to make a whole bunch. I'm just kind of doing whatever special orders I have, and then some new fragrances that I picked up, just a couple new fragrances. So that's what I'm doing. And so anyway, we'll be back to unmold these. And I'll keep you posted also on my weight loss progress as the videos go on. Like I said, the Fitbit's a wonderful tool if you need to keep track of your calorie intake and calories spent. It's wonderful. You log your food, and it works for me. So I just hate the treadmill. So anyway, we'll be back in a second to pop these out of the mold and show you what they look like. We'll be back. Okay, we're back and ready to pop these out. I did one already, and they're just the most beautiful pure white bars of soap you've ever seen, and just clean, no fragrance, no color added, not even titanium dioxide. These just come out, like I said, the most beautiful pure white soaps that you have ever seen. And the lather is so intense on these. My regular customer who buys these, she also uses them for shampoo bar and loves them. Loves them. So anyway, you can't ask for a simpler bar to make. And it's quick, it's easy. You just gotta let them cure now on the shelves. And then I'll get some of these listed. I don't think she's buying all of them, so I'll list some of these over on Etsy, and I'll link you to it below. But these are wonderful, wonderful, wonderful coconut oil soaps. We'll come in for a little flyby. So there you go. Oops. There we go. Just really pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? Pure white goodness. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and you'll be notified when a new one pops up. Also give me a thumbs up. You can check us out over on Facebook at Dirty Booty Soaps and also on Instagram at Dirty Booty Soaps. So thanks for watching and we'll catch you on our next video. Bye for now.